Okay.
Tauni ya Naikuru ni imwe ya iria ciendekithitio kwambatirio ikiro na gutuo mucii munene na kuingira gikiro-ini gia tauni ta Nairobi, Mombasa na Kisumu, na meharereria matiganite makoretwo magitabanio magutigirira undu uyu ni wakinyanira. Ona kuhana uguo kuri na riboti irekereiirio ni kamiti ya Labour thiini wa bunge ya Senate iria hithuritie ati kuri na uhotekeku thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru ikoretwo ikihamurithia ciana iria ciururuga tauni-ini na gucitwara mutitu-ini wa Chemasusu. Itanya rinene ari ni gutheria mbica ya tauni ino na niguo kweheria ihengeca iria cingigiriria yambatirio ikiro. Uthuthuria wa kamiti ino waumanire na mateta maria marekereiirio ni seneta wa Naikuru Susan Kihika tariki 27 mweri wa keri mwaka muthiru, thutha wake gukorwo amukirite mateta kuma kuri aikari atatu a kaunti ya Naikuru megie kuhamurithio gwa family cia kurura barabara-ini.
We held 8 sittings, including with the petitioner, the Ministry of Labour and Social Protection, the State Department of Social Protection, representatives of the Street Families Rehabilitation Trust Fund. Mr. Speaker, we even visited the street children twice and went to that center.
Riboti ino yonanitie ati kwa muhiano kuri tariki 6 mweri wa keri mwaka wa 2019 ciana citanyiheire 41 ni mathamirio kia hinya kuma barabara-ini cia mucii wa Naikuru na magicoka gutwarwo Chemasusu. Ona gutuika thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru ni yareganire na uhoro uyu hindi ya uthuthuria wa kamiti ino.
They were put in trucks, in the cell. Then later, in the vehicle numbers we have, were taken and dumped into Chemasusu forest in groups of 6. 5 of them have never been found. I met virtually with the governor of, with Governor Liki Nyanjui, the governor of Nakuru County, who denied that such an incident occurred, Mr. Speaker, despite the fact being on the face of the matter.
Na ona thengia wa guthamia ciana ici na njira ironekana kwagarara kihoto kia umundu kuringana na riboti ino ya Senate, uhoro uyu ni wandikithirio ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central tauni-ini ya Naikuru rungu rwa OB number 69/7/2/2019, na ningi maobitha ruhonge rwa DCI makoretwo magithuthurania na ndeto ino no nginyagia umuthi riboti ino yugite uthuthuria nduri warika.
The County Assembly of Nakuru, upon invitation from the committee, refused to appear. Mr. Speaker, the county government also declined to appear before the committee on Friday the 2nd, despite the fact that this was earlier agreed upon with the committee. They didn't give any reason for non-attendance, neither sent a representative.
Kamiti ino rungu rwa muikariri wayo uria nowe senator wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ni yendekithitie maundu matiganite hamwe namo ari ni kuria ruhonge rwa DCI guthuthuria ndeto ino na kuheana riboti kuri senate ihinda-ini ria mieri iri kuma riu, na ningi guthuthuria uhotekeku wa ati ciana ici ni ciheagwo mahaki. Hamwe na uguo, kamiti ino ni yendekithitie ati bunge ya Senate irugamie mubango wa kwambatiria ikiro cia tauni ya Naikuru o nginyagia riria kaunti ino ikahota gutariria mubango uria iri naguo wa ciana ici, na ningi maabitha aria magwetetwo ndeto-ini ino magikuruhanio nginyagia na kuruta mikana kuri ciana ici makuwe uigiririki wao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.